Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is another episode of the weekly or daily Rover auction chat series. And I'm pretty excited about this one because this kind of garbage never ends up at a dealer auction because, well, it doesn't run and drive. So let's kick this off. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the bell, do these daily videos and lots of other content, probably over 1,000 videos so far. 1994 base model D1 automatic 3.9, first year in the States, white or alpine white, cool, looks like a semi-homemade winch bumper and what appears to be a super winch. And the best thing about this dilapidated piece of garbage is it's listed for $600, which is too much, but you know, it's got parts, right? So let's deduce what we can since there's no information about the truck besides, well, you're basically buying a winch and it comes with a truck. Besides, it has 9 owners and yeah, altered suspension. Oh man, they've really got the disclosures right on this one. This looks like it came out of a lot because there's a D2 behind which I'll review tomorrow, and there's like a 733 next to it and a bunch of other moss-covered, dilapidated-looking trucks. So yeah, let's just get into these pictures right now. So yeah, the winch bumper and everything, that could be worth $600, probably replace the line and a bunch of other things. But, you know, the hood and the paint, and actually they might clean up, you know, fenders, body panels and whatnot. It has the 5-spoke, I can't remember what the wheels are called, but I have the same ugly wheels on my 1994 D1. You've got the red tail light lenses, so it's a 3.9. There's this non-OBD2, so there's probably some bits there. That tire's flat, but you know, the body looks straight and just looks like it's kind of been abandoned in the woods. Old trail truck action. You've got a Marine Corps sticker, Georgia Bulldog sticker, even Porsche Schmuck's license plate. I can't see the last registration on that, but it probably wasn't too recent. But yeah, from the outside, it looks fine, but this thing obviously has more secrets than that. I mean, somebody would love those headlights and headlight, I don't know, what do you want to call them? Balance pieces? I'm not sure. All right, so here's the money shots on the inside. You got a dilapidated seat cover, and a little bit of mold and mildew and leftover goodness because that's not where leaves should be if the doors have been closed. So I'll let you insinuate what that might mean. But, you know, there's some salvageable bits and pieces. I'm not really, it looks like somebody probably smashed and broke in the sunroof and dropped in because there's no reason for that headliner piece to be in that condition. So same thing in the back. Look at that, leaves in the back seat. Yep, there's your problem. So it doesn't have sunroofs. Again, these trucks really kind of do hold up well for when, I mean, the sunroofs leak so much, it might as well not have them installed, honestly. At least it could air out once it got saturated. So, you know, but again, it's $600. I'm sure there's some usable bits on it. It probably has some blown out shocks that someone might want. But, you know, you buy it for the potential winch, maybe use it as a super winch, or the bumper. I mean, this is cool for like $300, but it's in Georgia, you need to pay shipping. So, I don't know, it's just really kind of cool to see something like this show up at an auction. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Thank you.